guys, we're going to hike. Saan tayo mag-hike?
To Mount Mariglen.
Marigles?
Kapagod guys. Diyan ba kayo? Balot na balot muna tayo guys kasi hiking to. Ang init. So yan agad?
Yeah. Hi guys. Tungkod.
Pawis na. Pero ang ganda ng view. Malakas yung hangin pero sobrang init. Grabe. We made it here guys. Pero pagod. 100 steps lang daw. Ayan o, 100 steps.
They look. Hello guys.
Guys, dito kami sa Destinare. Mukha siyang
Destinare, hindi Destinare.
Destinare. Destinare.
Hello family members, and welcome back to my channel.
Ano, dito kami sa basta dyan kami. Tingnan nyo na lang.
Sobra.
Alin?
Ano?
Ulit ako, black na eh. Yung dalawa, mabigat ha. Dito na kami sa pangalawang dagat, Camara Island. Gabi niya sa Camara Island.
It's pretty. But I'm looking forward to Capones Island.
How about you?
Fine. It's pretty. It's like near lang sa Quezon City. It's a good choice for a beach.
What can you say about our Zambales trip?
So spongy, very
Expensive.
expensive, but so happy and
9 over 10. Ay, 10 over 10. Oh, quick. Escapade.
Wow.
Kayo na ako mausap dito, ha? Nakakapikon to, hindi ko maintindihan eh, ha?
What can you say about our trip?
Zambales trip.
It's good here.
It's good.
It's fun.
It's refreshing and fun.
Wow. You wanna come back? Looking forward for more.
Exceeded my expectations. I don't like overcrowded places. I want to discover, beaches and places that, hindi pa masyadong nadidiscover ng tao. And even though a little bit overcrowded today, it's still a good experience for, a sponty trip.
Inaanog yata. It's time to say goodbye. NANI?! Tapos ko iba. Uyan na, maliligo na kami. It's time to change. Ayan o. Shower with pay, 30 pesos. Transition ng shower in 3, 2, 1. Oh, transition, diba? Pauwi na, nabihis na. Uwi na. Nag-iba pa yung quality ang video. Bye!
Boboy, salamat.
Boboy, salamat. Boboy, salamat.
Boboy, salamat. Boboy, salamat.